The health benefits of the miracle drink ABC juice show up slow but are very effective. In some cases, it may take only 2 weeks to a month for the results to appear. However, for others it may take at least 3 months. It works the same way any health supplement does, but costs way less and provides a lot more benefits. Number 1. Boosts the brain and sharpens memory. This nutrition-enriched drink apple beetroot carrot juice is capable of enhancing nerve connections for faster response. It also improves a person's attention span, memory and concentration levels. As a result, you will be able to think faster and work better in all the activities and tasks you choose to take up. Number 2. Slows cancer inflammation. Cancer is a disease that results in an uncontrollable growth of cells. There isn't any real proof of the miracle drink being able to cure cancer. However, it has been able to slow down the growth of cancerous cells. There was a case of a patient recovering from lung cancer after being instructed by a Chinese herbalist to drink the miracle juice. But the effectiveness of this precious elixir depends on the stage of cancer you are at. Number 3. Helps weight loss. Miracle drink for weight loss? Yes, this apple beetroot carrot juice is a great addition to your weight loss diet. It has a limited amount of calories and is refreshing after an exhausting workout. It pumps the body with energy without resulting in weight gain. Number 4. Fights common diseases. Continuous intake of the miraculous apple, beetroot and carrot combination can improve your body's production of white blood cells and hemoglobin, giving you better results when treating the disease. The miracle drink also can reduce body odor, bad breath, throat infections and toughen up your lungs. Number 5. Improves vision and strengthens eye muscles. Drinking a glass full of this wondrous juice will provide your body with vitamin A, which is essential for enhancing vision. It also helps improve the strength of ciliary muscles, which help change the focal length of the eye lens. The ABC Miracle Drink soothes and relaxes tired eyes too. As a result of these benefits, you can maintain good vision. Number 6. Delays the aging process. The goodness of vitamins A, B complex, C, E and K help you look and feel younger than you really are. The dietary fibers and minerals also help improve basic bodily functions and rejuvenate the body and its vital organs. Number 7. Nourishing vitamins and minerals. The miracle drink is a healthy cocktail of vitamins and minerals the body needs to repair itself and grow. Each component adds to the nutritional value of the drink on its own. You simply have apple juice, beet juice, and carrot juice. But together you have a power concoction of vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, E and K, plus minerals like folate, zinc, copper, iron, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, niacin, sodium and manganese.